Okay, so this is our first session. So would you like to give your short introduction so that we can know each other?
Okay, my name is Abhijit Kujur. I am from West Bengal and I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts in English. And apart from that, in my free time, I am learning some computer skills.
Okay. My name is Tanuja and I'm from Bhopal city and it is in MP state. And currently I'm a working professional in one of the IT company and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube also. And along with that, if I'll talk about my hobbies, so I love to do drawing, dancing and traveling. That's all about me.
Yes, ma'am, I know very well about you because I have watched your YouTube channel.
Oh, that's great to hear.
Yes,
Okay, so how did you find my channel? Is it fruitful for anyone? What do you feel about it?
yes, because you are doing great on your journey of English and I like your videos
Okay, thank you.
and and you are in the IT field also. So yeah, you are in the corporate sector. Yeah, that's good.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay, so what's your dream career? What do you want to become?
Let's see what I want to become a teacher, but let's see what happens.
Okay, so you are more interested in teaching field.
Yes, if I couldn't become teacher, then I can become a businessman.
Okay, so you have both plan A and plan B.
Yes, plan whether it is small business or big business, I will start my business.
Okay, that's also completely okay. But yeah, if you have the particular goal in your life that you want to become a teacher, so first try to become a teacher, and if doesn't work in that way, then only you can go in another line. So that's fine. Okay, so I can see your background in whole greenery and all. So are you living in a like field village area something?
Yes, I live in village area. This is you can say I am in the tea garden now. You
Tea garden.
uh, can see this tea garden.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
looking
first time I'm seeing this. Tea garden.
tea garden.
Okay. So do you know farming?
I don't know farming, but this is not our tea garden. This is company's tea garden where so many laborers are working here and their daily wages, I think, 250 per day.
Oh, okay. Hmm. So your home is nearby this field?
Yes, it is nearby because I come here to practice English. You can say every day I come here to practice English because the nature is very calm and peaceful and nobody is there to disturb me and
Hmm.
I am alone here to practice.
Okay, that's great. Because yeah, I can see that it is really a calm place, and yeah, I can't see any other person also. So yeah, that's good for you that you can practice here.
Okay, what is means difference between village life and city life? Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's an interesting question because we both are in the different area. Like you are living in village and I'm living in city area. But yeah, I know most of the things about village because my grandparents lives in a village area, so I can totally aware about all both the places I can say. So currently I'm living in city area, so I can say that yeah, most of the people are very educated and they are more professional also, like they have the dream like yes, after this I have to go in this line or something like that. uh, and the another thing is that in city there is a kind of hustle bustle, you won't get any kind of peace that
Yes,
we can see in the village only.
we
uh,
can know coming.
yeah, every time you will see the horn of vehicles and all, especially if you are living in any metropolitan city, so you will see like it's a busiest city, everyone is walking and moving around everywhere. So this kind of place. But in village I have seen that people are so calm, and yeah, especially one thing I like it a lot, that village people are so supportive and helpful for each other,
Yes,
isn't it?
definitely. Yeah, because any incident happens, suddenly they come to help each other. and they can help. They can help everybody. They can help, and also they they celebrate every festival in a good way
Mm-hmm.
together.
They come together and celebrate each and every festival with lot of fun. Yeah, in here also like in city, but what happens if person is living in a flat or something, so people are just confined with their families only. They don't interact too much with the other person, like their neighborhoods and all. But like if I'm living in a colony or like in this kind of colony, so yeah, we have this kind of opportunity that I can talk with my neighborhood. But I have seen that in some places, people just they are limited with their selves only. They don't generally talk with anyone. So it happens. And yeah, there are
And
so many advantages and disadvantages of both. Like in village, we don't have such facility like nearby us, like hospitals and schools, colleges. So in city, we can find it easily here.
yes, definitely in village there is no good hospital, no education. You can say limited education, can say, and for that we have to go in the cities for the higher education.
Hmm. Yes, yes, right. So that's the drawback I can say.
And in village, everybody will recognize you. And in cities, I think many diverse culture are there in that.
Hmm.
Different kind of people because they come to they have migrated one place to another place due to job. You can say
Yes, yes, right. Yes, absolutely right. You know, when I go to my grandparents' home, so everybody comes to my home and they say like, yes, Tanuja came here and she came from city, so they come here to just meet with me. So I feel very happy, and they make me feel very comfortable and happy that yes, I'm here, and they recognize me like that. Yes, she is the daughter of like this person, like this. So I enjoy these things a lot. And you know, whenever I go to my home, so hometown, so what I usually ask for that I have to see my field only. So let me let me take there only so that I can visit and all.
yes, definitely. And in villages live very you can say very happily and joyfully. You can say, and everybody are helping each other and
Yeah, both have their own pros and cons, we can say. Yeah, but it depends on person's choice also. And I have observed that some people who are living in village, so they like village area. But some people who are living in city, so they like city life. So it generally happens.
and also that side you can see that side there is a forest, so easily we can collect some firewood.
Yeah.
Easily we
Yes.
can collect firewood and to cook food. You can say
You can get fresh air, fresh food, and fresh vegetables also. So yeah, these things we can't, say that yes, in city we can get the fresh, everything fresh, like the vegetables and fruits especially.
and in our village every time elephants are coming and they are destroying our homes and so many houses destroyed.
Hmm.
Nearby only forest is there, no, that's why.
So have you ever been to any city or explored any city as of now?
I never visited any city because I haven't got any opportunity. Just just I remain in my district only.
Oh, why? Don't you love traveling?
Yes, I of course I love traveling, but due to financial condition, I could not go outside. You can say
Yes, I can understand. So once you will achieve your goal, so definitely plan something new so that you can visit any city, any famous places that you want to visit.
yes, definitely. I want to become a financial independent, and I want to stand in my leg. You can see.
Hmm.
Definitely I will do that.
Yes, yes. You know, I also loved traveling, and still I love to do travel a lot. But you know, when I was in my school or college days, so till then I never visited any city or places by myself. But now I am independent, so yes, whenever I feel that yes, I should visit this city, so definitely I plan and I go there. So yeah,
Yes,
definitely you can also do.
yes. We, first of all, we should have financial independence. After that, we can go anywhere.
Yes, yes. And that time nobody will, restrict you that no, you can't go like this. When I was in college before my job, so my parents used to say, no, don't go anywhere like this. And they always used to restrict me, like, no, you can't go any other city. You are too young for that. And there are so many things they used to tell me. But now they don't, ask me the second question also. They just ask where I'm going and yeah, how long I wanna make that plan or something. That's it only.
Ma'am, one question. Okay. So, are you in the IT field? So, which field are you from? What is your you can say in which sector you are working in the IT field?
In IT field, there are so many designation and job roles you can say, but I'm working in one that is cybersecurity.
Wow, that is very trending. You can say
Yes, yes.
cybersecurity now. Okay.
Definitely, because we can't deny this things, especially this field, cybersecurity, because we are moving to digital things only. Like now, we are just connected virtually, so this kind of things are also handling by software engineers. And how we can secure ourselves in this kind of digital era. So we need cyber expert and cybersecurity engineers so that they can they can do something.
Yes. Ma'am, can you tell about AI because it is a trending topic. So, because I am in the arts field, so I want to eagerly waiting for that to know about AI.
Yes, yes, you are right. Like this is a trending. We can say that, and most of the people are using AI tools and so many things where we need AI things. Like generally, we used to do so many things by ourselves, we can say manually. But now, because of AI tools, we are just moving in the automatic things. Like most of our work also in IT field that we used to do manually before that, but now we have this option. We can find in the AI tools as well. And for learning English also, I sometimes I get stuck like this is the correct things or not. So I just try to find out in ChatGPT, and there are some other applications also. So I try to correct myself. Yes, this is the correct thing I should use like this. And there are
I
so many things that where we are using AI things.
This industry is evolving very fastly, rapidly. You can say.
Yes. Yes, yes. If you have great knowledge in AI field, so you can grow very fast here because we know that their scope is like high, and if you have great command over it and you have great knowledge, so definitely you can do a lot of things in this field. But yeah, what happens like so many people are not that much of proficient in this AI things, so that's why they are lacking. But if you have great knowledge, so you can grow very fast.
Okay. Learning about like some tools like graphic designing and all. I have read you.
Oh, okay. So in I can say that in this line, you want to learn the graphics, computer graphics and all. That's
Yes,
it.
computer graphics.
Okay, so you are already, you mentioned that you are already learning computer things. So that's right.
Right,
Yeah, we
right,
have
right.
so many things in this field. I can say that we can learn a lot of things. If you have laptop and computers, you can learn so many things, and you can utilize that knowledge in the different field also. It ups to you. But yeah, expand your knowledge in different background also. So that would be helpful. Sometimes it happens we can't predict that we have to go in that particular things only. So sometimes you have to be, open to work on any things, on any field, any platform, anything. So if you have knowledge, so you can grab the things easily.
Yes, because nowadays only that you can say only technology trending is going on nowadays. You can say.
Yes, yes. Like I'll ask just about your English journey. So, how did you think that you should learn this language, and who suggested you that? what should be the steps you should follow in order to learn this language and improve this language?
Just I have decided to learn this language because I want to go in the teaching field,
Mhm.
so that uh, English communication skills must, I think, in the teaching field. So that is the reason. And I want to connect with lots of people like you. That's why. That is the reason. And also, uh, I follow, I think, listening, speaking, reading, writing, and thinking in English. Yeah.
Yes, yes, you are right. Like now, I know that so many people are already aware that they should learn this language, because in when I was in my during my college time, so I never tried to speak in English. And when I came across that I was facing a lot of difficulties at my workplace, then I decided to learn this language.
Okay.
But now, if I have seen that students are already aware and they have the resources also, like they already aware that how they can improve themselves. Like we have so many applications, free applications, and even we have mobile phones and data connection, so we can do lot of things. We can learn lot of things. So yeah, that's the great that you are learning this language, and this will really helpful in your future also, because whatever fields you will go, so you it will help you a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I think I have to do some work. So is it okay? We can wrap up this?
Okay. It was lovely conversation, ma'am. And yeah, I will, next time I will, think we will talk in different topics, you can say.
Yeah, sure. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.